Hello, this is Brian Resney, President of Resney Wealth Management, bringing you an important update about the economy and the investment markets. Well, officially on Friday, our president did it again. He basically struck a deal so there's not new tariffs against Mexico to help protect our southern border. We've got a major issue down there, and I'm not going to go into detail, but if you listen to the news, if you realize what's going on, this is not only a humanitarian crisis, but also a crisis on drugs, human trafficking, and other things. But our president's doing what he needs to do. I wish our Congress and the Senate, both sides, would get together and actually do something that was right for all of Americans, because the people most affected by the problems on the southern border are really the poor in this country and the middle class. It takes away from them. And it also, of course, hurts the people that are coming over because of human trafficking and drug-related issues. Our economy overall is doing well. We're still working on a deal with China, and China seems to be coming back to the table because they're realizing this president is not going to put up with any garbage, and China, again, has been abusing not only the U.S., but the world for decades on stealing intellectual property and basically bad trade deals in general. The economy is growing. The Fed has officially talked on Thursday, Friday of last week that they may look at reducing interest rates if needed. They're going to be flexible. Again, as I've said, we're not in a recession. We're not headed for a recession. But what's interesting is the Fed has basically stated they're going to be very proactive and accommodating to keep this economy growing. That is a net positive. So what did we see last week? We saw the market go up almost 4%. We're looking like we're going to continue it on this path right now as we open the markets on Monday and going into the rest of the week. And I hope that overall investors realize that the economy will have patches of slowness and choppiness. It's not always going to be in a straight line. So we had a modest pullback this year in the last, let's say, month and a half, maybe in the 6% range, only to recoup about half of that now, and potentially could we go to new high ground by the end of the year? We certainly could. I think China is going to be a big factor in that, though. But again, China's coming back to the table because they're realizing this president means business and what he says he's going to do. And China is really having a slowing effect on their economy because of the tariffs and the pressures the U.S. is putting on them. We are invested mainly in the U.S. marketplace. We are basically holding a little bit of cash in our more conservative portfolio and models based upon the bond positions. We're looking to put some more money to work. And again, if you have questions about your portfolio, if you have any concerns at all, please give the office a call. I know our clients are generally pretty busy in the summer, so if you'd like to do a phone consult review, what have you, give the office a call. And as always, we appreciate your business, your trust, and we always appreciate your referrals. So keep us in mind when you're talking to business and family members, because our business grows through great clients like you and through the referrals that you provide our firm. Have a safe and profitable day.